So, sabi mo nga, nakalimutan na ba natin ang flood control controversy, hindi
Yun.
ba? So,
tinatanong ko lang
Yeah.
sa sarili ko at siguro ito rin tinatanong ng iba.
yeah. So, are you, I guess, you welcome the move by Senator Alan to create a subcommittee, to which some senators are questioning this, to create a subcommittee headed by Senator Marcoleta to pursue this flood control probe?
Ang ayoko lang, Pinky, to be consistent with my earlier statement, huwag naman natin i-weaponize na naman yung Blue Ribbon Committee at yung hearings because of this perceived partisan division in the Senate, di ba? Focus tayo, di ba? Blue Ribbon, malfeasance, misfeasance, di ba? Sino may pananagutan? Bakit? The most important question is, para hindi na tumaulit.
Yun ho naman talaga dapat.
Yun dapat, pero that's us talking.
Yeah.
Try explaining that to 24
senators. But then you're saying that it's important that it be done apolitically. Parang gano'n, no parties involved. Do you think Senator Rodante Marcoleta is a good chairperson for the subcommittee?
That's not my call. I reserve my judgment of the former and the present. Senator Locsin is my classmate in the PMA. Kasama kami sa Macho Block.
Macho Block po kayo?
Magkasama rin kami ni Senator Marcoleta. Di ba? Nung nagkampanya, hindi naman ako kasama sa alyansa, di ba? Pero may isang dimension dito,
Okay.
which I hope you will allow.
Please.
We're doing this on national and global television. Di ba? We're exposing our our strengths and weaknesses to a global audience, no, composed of temporary friends and allies. Is that the way to go? Yung superpowers na gusto na naman tayong paglaruan, siguro nanonood. Sabi siguro, ang gugulo nila, pakialaman natin. Is that what they want?
How would you describe saying that Senator Bato escaping the Senate and leaving the protective custody of the Senate was a right thing to do? Because I take it that you said that you have the Supreme Court that can really make a decision on this.
I cannot impose my judgment over his. No. But earlier on, Pinky, applying this to former President Duterte, I was part of a signature campaign because after government said that our courts are functioning, we are not a failed state, our justice system is working, why on earth did we give a former president to another court in another country? Kung kaya pala nating pataw ng hustisya. Sinong ordinaryong Pilipino ang magkakaroon ng kumpiyansa if we cannot give justice to a former president? Ordinary Filipinos.
But I think, sir, apart from the word functioning, the operative words is the state willing. Yun po yung kailangan din nating maalala, was the state willing to investigate.
True.
May genuinely willing pa ata ako na salita doon.
Genuinely is relative. It depends on where you sit. Ang dami kasi nagsasalita ngayon, di ba? So, we are the receptacle of this silo effect. With technology, social media, no? So, willing, di ba? Follow the rules. I was telling earlier off the record na we may be too busy reading the law, flaunting the law, we forgot to follow the law.
Us or Senator Bato?
All of us. All of us. We must assume responsibility for this.
Well, I guess, sir, that's why we look to the decision, the impending decision, if it comes out, sir, anytime soon of the Supreme Court.
If it comes out, at sundin natin lahat. Di ba?
Kailangan po. Yun ay final arbiter.
Di ba yun nga? Di ba? First responsibility of any government is order. Pag nagsalita na yung Korte Suprema, siguro naman sunod tayo. Without converting it into a partisan political issue, which has resulted in weaponizing everything. All institutions have been weaponized for partisan political process. And I'm not blaming any particular branch or sector only.
And this has been, would you say this has been going on for a long time?
A long time. I have something to say about that also, no? Politically, legally, economically, even in terms of national security, we have been doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. There is a term for that, which will not go into baka.
Senator, yung po sinabi niyo kanina, I was gonna go there, political persecution. Something that Senator Jinggoy Estrada may have said not exactly in those words, if I can remember well, but, you know, he mentioned statements like, mula nang naging majority ang minority, bumilis ang mga kaso sa amin. And then, sir, you have Malacanang saying, hindi naman yan nangyari ngayon lang eh. Last year pa yan. Minority pa kayo nung nangyari yan. How do you and how does the public balance what could be political persecution to a case that actually might really hold water?
You cannot reduce this into a he said, she said situation. Di ba? Kaya may rules eh. And the ultimate rule is the Constitution. Kanina, on my way here, I read the Bill of Rights. Sabi sa akin ng mga abogado, if you want to reduce the Constitution to a few sentences, you read
The Bill of Rights?
Article 3, Section 1, protect life, liberty, and property. Diba? Now, are we following that? Diba? Habang nililitis, nakakulong ka, and you are found innocent, does the law prescribe a mechanism for saying, oops, I'm sorry? Diba? How
Damages, sir.
Yun nga. Well, I'm not implying that media is party to this, no? What? Ano ang function ng korte natin if you are subjected to trial by publicity? And in terms of perception, you're either pronounced guilty or not guilty. Buti kung tayo lang. Our families, our loved ones, our friends are watching. And they develop conclusions.
Part of the news conference or the statements delivered by Senator Jinggoy before he left the Senate premises, sir, where he will not yield to threats or intimidation. Sabi niya, hindi din ako papayag ng Senate custody. Meron ding, very important, he said, what is at stake here is the independence of the Senate. What did you think of that?
3 independent branches of government. How would you feel? I mean, going back 2 weeks ago,
May
how would you
11.
feel if somebody entered your house without a warrant? Di ba? I mean, you resort to drastic measures. The independence of the 3 branches of government, I think, is crucial to our pluralistic democratic system. Pag nagkaroon ng infringement at daanin mo sa dahas, sa puwersa, to paramihan lang ba ng armadong grupo? Diba? Where does that play the final arbiters? No? The enforcers of law and order. Diba? 3 legally authorized armed groups. The AFP, the PNP, idagdag mo na yung NBI. What is your defense if this power is abused?
Was it? Are you saying that last May 11 the power was abused, sir?
Well, I'm waiting for the investigation report.
Okay.
And I hope it will be, objective and impartial, no? Because as I observed earlier, no, everybody's talking. We are an interesting nation, no? Any issue, there are 120 million experts all talking at the same time.
But sir, you're very big on following the law. Hindi
Yeah.
po ba? The law needs to be followed to
Yes.
the letter.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying, sir, is if it is true that there was a warrant of arrest, then sino ho nagkamali doon? A warrant of arrest for Senator Bato, because bumalik po kayo sa May 11 eh. Kung meron ho talagang pinakitang warrant of arrest, ang sabi po kasi ng NBI director, of course subject to still further investigation by the DOJ and maybe even the Senate. But if you were to believe the statement of NBI Director Matibag, they had a warrant of arrest, they were going to show it to him, pero bago po napakita sa kanya, sinabing NBI, we are to serve the arrest warrant, tinulak na daw sila at tumakbo na raw si Senator Bato.
Pinky, please forgive me, no, that's above my salary grade. No, ang conclusions ko lang rito, ang impressions, is based on media reports. Di ba? What I'm saying is, what message are we conveying? Kung ganito tayo kagulo, as media reports, di ba? As it happens, no? Pero, we know very little. Di ba? Yung,
Well, what did you think of yung nangyari pong barilan doon sa Senado?
No.
You were once a senator as well, hindi
no,
ba?
No, normally, PC, pag may nagpaputok, normally, from my limited experience, merong tinatamaan. Ibig sabihin, warning shots talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano na talaga yung response, no? The fact is, the almost 30 shots fired did not result in any casualty.
None, yes.
That's good. I would dread to imagine a situation where may nasaktan. Now, where did this start? Diba? Baka abuse of discretion, abuse of authority. Alam mo, Pinky, ang worry ko rito, yung mga nauutusan, di ba? Yung mga utusan, basta't may maituro ka na nag-utos sa'yo, di, sunod ka naman, di ba? You assume it's legal, it's moral, it's constitutional.
Yeah, pagka sabihin po sa inyo ng iyong commander na gawin ito, gagawin mo. Parang ganun po eh.
Unless you have the time and the luxury of asking, di ba? Sir, bakit? Wala namang baril. Hindi naman tayo pinuputukan. Ba't ko naman babaril?
But how did you feel when you saw that happen inside the halls of the Senate, sir? That was the first time it ever happened.
Sad. Worried. Diba? I was once there, no? And during our watch, it did not happen. Merong mga tension, but it was a collegial, consensual body. What happened on the floor stays on the floor. Sa labas, no? Sa Senator's Lounge. Usap-usap kami, paano ba to? May caucus, may executive session. Yun ang limited experience ko.
So, sir, let's talk about what is happening in the Senate right now. Change of leadership, Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano via a vote of 13, majority versus 11. Ngayon, 11 na lang po sila dahil wala po si Senator Bato at nakakulong po si Senator Jinggoy, 11 to 11. What happened today, sir, in the Senate was that the 11 minority senators were in session. Sorry, they were in plenary. They were not in session. And Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano joined Senator Jinggoy Estrada papunta po sa PNP, CIDG. Does that make sense to you? Because none of the majority senators showed up at plenary today.
Well, I guess there was also a walkout, ano?
Nag-walk out po yung minority noon Tuesday. Sila naman po ngayon hindi nagpakita.
Ibig sabihin, objectively, no? From what I saw in the news, the Senate President, whoever he is exercising some form of leadership. Diba? Welfare of the men. The people, the collegial body yan, pero is the leader of a primus inter pares of the collegial body. Ang worry ko is yung accomplishment of the mission. Sundalo ko, no? Two things you attend to when you're a military commander. Welfare of your men and accomplishment of the mission.
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng welfare lang of the men. What about the mission? Hindi mo pwedeng mission lang. Baka ubus yung batalyon mo. Okay? What is the mission of the Philippine Senate? To legislate, to make laws. Diba? 24 people elected by the same constituency that elects a president and a vice president, no? Making a judgment call. Diba? Hindi pwedeng isa lang ang nag-judgment call, no? May parang MC yung Senate President yan. Yeah. So, I'm asking that question to myself and for the benefit of our people. No? What is the job of a Senate as part of the legislature, as part of three branches of government?
But when you say bilang sundalo, dalawang inyong iisipin, the welfare of men and your accomplishment mission, di ho ba? Does that necessarily follow in the Senate? Because, sino ho ba yung welfare of men? Yung kapwa senador mo?
Hindi. Yun nga eh. Pag nagdidebate kayo ron, I learned this from when I was a neophyte senator. Nasa kanan ko si Senator Raul Roco, the late Senator Roco. Nasa kaliwa ko si Manong June Magsaysay. Sabi sa akin ni Manong Raul, no? Sabi, Greg, we're not here because I'm a former lawyer and you're a former soldier, no? We're here to vote. Diba? And when we cast our vote and it goes with the majority, down the road, and we will not even, some people suffer, some people giginawa. In fact, some people lose their lives, some people, diba, live. So, bago tayo bumoto, yung boto talaga eh. Diba? So, we articulate for the 6 o'clock news, no? Bago tayo bumoto, mag-aral tayo. Best lights, dasal ka, study. best lights, and our collective points of origin, you as a former soldier, Berson. Yun ang tingin ko ang mission ng Senado. Di ba? Our audience is not each other. Our audience is the Filipino people who elected us.
But that's exactly why I said, is that akin to the Senate? Yung sinasabi niyong kapag sundalo, ang iisipin niyo welfare of men, and the other one is the accomplishment report.
Right.
In the Senate, is it just supposed to be the accomplishment report for the people who elected you?
I'm talking as a soldier. I will always be a soldier. Siguro nakachamba lang ako for 4 terms. No? Put me there for an interesting reason. Siguro para tumigil na to si Unasa. Nagkakagulo. Ilagay natin Senado kung saan natin siya kita. Ganun siguro yung background natin. No. So I applied that security management principle, which I learned.
Even in the Senate, as you got elected in the Senate.
I don't want to go beyond my comfort zone or my area of competence.
Pero ngayon ho ba, yung accomplishment mission, nagagawa ho ba with this present Senate?
Medyo hindi ko nakikita. Parang nalilipat yung concentration natin sa ibang bagay. Hindi lang yan, well, what about the flood control? Parang napopokus tayo ron. Ano yun? Nakalimutan naman. I'm not raising this issue, but flood control, what programs that would have served food, clothing, shelter, health, education, and data, the new gold and the new oil, were deprived of funds because of this. Have we resolved that? Now we are into another issue. We're jumping from...
Well, it appears that there will be a continuation, of the hearing because ang sabi po ni SP Alan, magkakaroon daw po ng subcommittee.
Yes, under Senator Marcoleta.
Under Senator Marcoleta. Excuse me, sir. And then when you talk to the other side, ang sasabihin naman nila, kaya naman hindi natuloy itong flood control investigation dahil ayaw ninyong pirmahan. Ayaw ninyong pirmahan yung partial report na pwede naman kayong pumirma with certain reservations. Can you run us through that? Because they needed 9 signatures dun sa partial report that was submitted by Senator Ping Lacson, di ho ba? But they only garnered 7.
Oh.
They needed 2 more. Wala ho kasi iba nag-sign. 7 lang.
Oh, but to me, Pinky, that's procedural. I cannot, di ba? Paano ko naman aalamin kung what motivated the former chairman, no, and the present chairman. Ang importante yung proseso, transparency. Ngayon kasi, napansin ko, I'm not talking only about those who hold the fund. No? Pag may information, may nagsalita, at hindi mo nakursunadahan yung sinasabi, your knee-jerk reaction is to try to kill the messenger. Para sa akin, kung ako, hindi naman ako, di ba, is pakinggan mo muna sinasabi. And then test the source, the credibility of the source, and the quality of information. That's why they call it a hearing. And the Blue Ribbon Committee is, I think, the most powerful committee in the Senate. Motu proprio, without any reason, without any
They can
resolution.
investigate. Yeah.
Hearing tayo ngayon, mamayang gabi hanggang madaling araw. That's how powerful it is.
What I'm trying to understand, Senator, is hindi po, sa aking pagkaintindi, and please correct me if I'm wrong, hindi nga po natuloy yung investigasyon because upon passing the partial report, only 7 signed, so they could not take it up on the floor. So one senator told me during an interview live, sana pinirmahan na lang ng at least 2 people, ilagay na lang with reservation so that it could have been discussed in plenary.
Pinky,
Could that have been the right way to do it?
ingat ako dun sa mga sana, daw, di ba? Di numbers game yan. Di ba? Masusunod yung majority. Di pagbotohan natin kung anong procedure, di ba? Yung rules, what did the rules say? And, di ba, I'm not even in a position to dissect the rules. What I'm saying is a judgment call of the chairman backed up by the majority. Di ba? Hindi ito, arithmetic lang ito, di ba? Majority, that's democracy.
Yeah.
Yeah, sabi ni Churchill, no, I'm mother-ruler now. Democracy is the worst form of government. Yeah, with the exception of others we have tried.
So